Hey, it's Phil, and I wanted to spend some time going over one of the most important RacketHub databases, the Book Project Plan. This thing is pretty involved because writing a book is pretty involved. So I've got a bunch of different database views. I'm not going to cover all of them. I'll try to keep this fairly short and more of an overview video. But for starters, we've got a chart here that lists the different tasks that you should accomplish are broken out by phase. So cover design, figure creation, you don't have to use all of these. You can use some of them or as many of them as you like. For example, if you're not going to write a proposal because you're not pursuing a traditional publisher, you're not working with an agent, you certainly don't need to complete that one. And then this here just shows the tasks that are currently yet to be done, in progress, and complete, and these update automatically. So the minute that you change a particular task, for example, I'm going to mark one here, like getting to know RacketHub, I'm going to put here that I've actually started that one. If I go back to the database here, I will see that that particular task should now be in progress, and that gets updated here with admin. So all these are related. If you want to see all of the non-complete tasks, this sorts out ones that you've completed because you may not want to look at those. This has got here the 235 that are still remaining. Another database view shows a graph or chart. And again, this just summarizes them, showing which ones started, not started, reopened. One of the most important views, in my opinion, is the phase list because this can be a little overwhelming. But I've grouped all of the tasks by phases. So ideation is very important. Have you thought about the idea of your book? Have you developed reader personas? These are all in different databases. Have you identified comparable books here? So if I click on one of these, I will go to the related database here. And again, these are just books that might be in your particular genre. Odds are if you're writing a book, you're not the first person to write it about that individual subject. So these are all collapsible. Again, this makes it very easy to see what you've yet to complete. And you go into them here, and if they've got individual subtasks, again, the whole thing rolls up. The last one that I'll cover in this video is just which tasks are overdue. And again, we've got lots more here, but I want to make this video a reasonable length. This automatically updates here. So if the due date on this one we want to push, and let's just make it 2005, it doesn't get deleted. It just goes away because it is no longer overdue. This is a smart view that updates automatically based on the date and the status of the view. So we could spend hours talking about the database view here, or all the database views, but hopefully you found this one useful.